payload limit for API to return the count? Because once or twice I have seen that what you can say API was not working correctly. It was not
Do you want
returning anything.
do you want to share your the script you use? We can take a look at it.
Okay,
It's very
just a minute.
possible what you're doing is you're not reading all the pages. You're only reading the first page, maybe.
No, actually, the code is not changed from when I deployed, so that's the same code. Just a minute, I'll just share here if it's possible.
Yeah, my hunch is that maybe it's not counting the inner transactions. So like you might
Even
have
so, like
yeah.
we have more than 1900 spins. You know.
Yeah, I mean we should be getting, into like tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands in this past week. Like just like what you're expecting to find from like a like analysis on transactions.
Okay, just a minute. It's a PHP file, so maybe you will need what you can say XAMPP server to run it on locally, or maybe you need to deploy on some kind of web server.
Eh, Just looking at this now.
And if you want to see the GUI for that, just a minute, I'll send a snap how it is. So there is no pagination concept because it does just directly shows the transactions, summing up all the pages.
Yeah, I think we have to figure out how to count the transactions appropriately. Don't have time to really look at this right now, but
Yeah, I'll just do troubleshooting from my end. Let's see. Maybe I'm doubting that because code is not changed. I am doubting that API endpoints are returning some wrong information. Okay. Yeah.
yeah,
In debug, I am getting like yeah API network error. Just a minute. I'll send you. I just did a demo of my old data, but it's returning this. Definitely, it's wrong. Check the image in the chat.
yeah.
Yeah, my guess was correct that API is having some issues.
Which site do you use, or which API do you use?
Um,
I mean, IDX.
mm, the one which Shirley gave me, I just hard coded it in the code. Let me find it.
Yeah, yeah, I see. You
Okay, it's
might, it might
.NET
be what,
IDX.
you know what might be happening? I think this is probably what's happening is that since you don't have a limiter on your API, because there's so many transactions, you are slamming the server because there's multiple pages and you're getting blocked by the API for requesting too many times. So my guess, without really going into detail here, is that you need to add some type of throttle on your API fetching so that you don't overload the API because we have so many transactions now, which is fucking awesome.
Yeah, maybe. So yeah, but that was not the case just before last week. So
Yeah,
let's see.
Yeah,
but
we're on
things are better now, Fury.
Okay.
now we're on like day 5 of like, House of Void testing. and every
Right.
day
Like
is
like like when this goes live, like the number of transactions I'll be on Voy will be out of this world.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, like it's gonna be crazy.
Okay, not a problem. So yeah, everything is good. Okay, so yeah, we need a DNS update. So that's in what is the to-do list, and our ballast nodes are doing good. And I will work around why this analysis was wrong. So I will correct this one, and first of all, I will find what the error is.
Cool. Great job again. Yeah, I mean, I guess this is a conversation for the network, is that this is a great thing for everybody because more transactions means more payment to the node providers, and more payment to the node providers means happier nodes. But like when this is running, it's going to be a lot of transactions. Like right, how many transactions is it per spin, Shelly?
at the
Right now?
moment,
It's
let's
like
see. So
35.
like, yeah, like spin and claim together.
Yeah.
So spin 1, 30 up to 30, 32, 31, 30, up to 32. Like right now,
Yeah. So,
and like I think we can make it smaller, but there are a lot, a lot coming through.
yeah. So like right now, there's been 2659 times all 32. So it's 85,000 transactions on this machine alone. Which is quite a few. Quite a few.
Yeah, that's like 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 between 20 and 30 times more than what we're seeing, what we saw previously. So maybe, even more, right? So
Yeah. It's we just crossed 300,000 Void volume on this machine. That's not bad either.
and it's just one machine.
I'm doing my part.
It's just one machine. One machine, and only 12 people even know about it. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. All right, what else we got talking about? Anything network related?
Not from my end.
Beautiful. And overall, happy with everything. Anything else anybody want to talk about? Open floor? Because if not, I'm gonna go back to working on House of Void. Like the amount of analytics this provides, like it makes me so excited just to be like, okay, as much as I can see and how much I envision influencers being able to tap into this, like I could 100% see like a viewing machine where it's like rather like you can actually just tap into somebody's plane and watch them play without actually spinning, and I think that's be awesome.
Yeah, lost porn is a big industry, so you could probably just live stream people like me losing. That'd be pretty cool.
Oh, wind porn. Not
It's
as
rare.
big.
It happens.
It's rare. Doesn't exist.
Mhm. Yeah, there's like
It's like,
there's streamers on Kick that basically like they have like just probably the percentage of their audience that are hate watching them is like is pretty high compared to people who are rooting for them to win.
nice. It's a fun industry. Yeah, I mean, like, it's pretty awesome. Like I said, we just cracked 300,000 volume. We're at 302,000 now. Like, people are spinning as we speak.
If you want me to spend at 2,000 per thing, I can do it for a while. We can get those numbers up.
2,000. I mean, the thing is, like, at 2,000 per, like, we still don't have enough house we're at 1.7 million. We can handle one max spin at a time right now. Because it reserves 1 million VOI every time it's a complete max spin. Because the reason for it is because if you hit it, you will win 1 million VOI. So we need to reserve that much when you do a max spin.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. You mind if I drop in here for like a just update on the node, just for like kind of insight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's this node token that been distributing for a little while, and it's a representation of the like percent people are contributing to block production, and so each week we send out, I think it's like 11 million node or something, but just looking at changes over the week. So I do the distributions, and then I have like a analysis summary, and let's see. So over the last week, the number of beneficiaries, like the accounts that like end up receiving the rewards, it went down slightly. So like 10 difference is like 10, but the total accounts has gone up. So there's more, there's around the same amount of beneficiaries, but the number of I think the number of people participating in VOI like VOI pairs on DeFi has changed. So that has gone up pretty big. It's like 500 account difference, and then the total token. Oh, that makes sense. Total token holders has gone up around 400, so almost 500. And there's been a big change this week, and people like adding VOI pair liquidity, looks like, and unique tokens has gone up. So we got another a new VOI pair token that has been added. So that's like the summary of like what I get at the end of the week. Maybe it just tells us about like what kind of different changes in block production we have. Well, that's it, guy.
Yep.
Just wanted to drop that in there for the people listening to the network meeting. I think weekly I'll spend like 10 seconds talking about it, but good stuff.
What else, Fury? Anything else?
Nothing,
Oh,
not from my end. I am just troubleshooting the code.
cool. Chris, I'm back to positive now, so get fucked. Also, I had an idea. I was like down 9,000 today. I was
You're down 9,000?
Yeah, now I'm back up. So the one thing I was going to suggest is that the top wins leaderboard.
Yeah.
Biggest. I mean, I think you need it. I think you need highest win, highest X win, as like a difference, because anybody can get like a 3x on a max bet and be at the top.
I mean, maybe people should be betting more and not the pussies.
Okay, well then in that case, then all of my big wins should be on this board, not just my biggest. So
no, sorry.
I can squeeze out some of these people, and they're going to have to play harder.
Maybe. I think I agree. I think that's you should make that suggestion for Zarmian, because I think it'd be a quick addition to do those things.
All right, I'll make the suggestion.
Well, congrats.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Well, I have to get going. And I'll talk to you guys all later.
Bye. We all done?
Yeah, I think we're good. We're all playing. Yeah.
Oh, look,
we're
Wilder showed up.
Hey guys.
Just
you're
at
just
the
in
end.
time, Wilder. You came into. You got alpha.
Yeah, we're just doing well. Congrats, everybody. We're
A
up.
summary of network meeting all time high. You know, and we too high. We couldn't count the transactions right. But we'll do better next time.
Cool. Well, hopefully we're going to see some more
All right.
transactions over the
Yeah,
next
do
few
better.
days.
Fury specifically. Just kidding. All right. Talk to you guys later.
Might be max transaction first. Have a chub probably too.